Leonardo DiCaprio was recently spotted on a yacht in Formentera, Spain, where he was joined by Love Island star Arabella Chee, his longtime friend Toby Maguire, and British Vogue editor Edward Enninful, among others. The group seemed to be enjoying the Mediterranean sun, with Chee donning a leopard print bikini and DiCaprio keeping a low profile in casual attire. While the outing sparked some speculation, sources confirm that DiCaprio and Chee are merely friends. This yacht outing is one of many for DiCaprio, who has been vacationing around Europe this summer. Despite being seen with various friends and celebrities, the actor continues to be romantically linked to model Gigi Hadid.